Hello friends, now you can see some pictures on the screen. So can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are the vegetables. These are vegetables. And what? Can you tell me what vegetables are they? Very good. Now one by one we'll write the names. Carrot. Very good. Brinjal. Very good. Cucumber. Tomato. And tamarind. And this is garlic. Very good. Now you have told me all the names of these vegetables. We are going to find something else from these vegetables. We are going to find their shapes. Now we'll go to the standard one, first chapter. Let's find the shapes. Let's find the shapes. Now this is what, children? This is a carrot. So what kind of a shape does carrot is there? What kind of a shape you can find out from the carrot? Yes, cone. You know what's a cone? Yes, an ice cream cone. Everybody knows that very well. So the first shape that we come from this is the cone. It's the cone, and the basic shape that it comes from is the triangle. It comes from the shape of the triangle. So this is a cone. This is a cone. See how the this looks. How the carrot looks. It looks exactly like a cone. This is how exactly like a carrot looks, like a cone. Okay, and what else looks like this? Can you tell me few more vegetables? Yes, a radish, white radish. A white radish also looks like this. Okay, now let's come to the next shape. Let's come to the next shape that is there. The next shape is cucumber and brinjal. Now cucumber and brinjal, they are long. Have you seen a box? Have you seen a bottle? Have you seen a bottle? Even a bottle is on a long shape like this. Similar is the cucumber, shape of the cucumber. So this kind of a shape is called as cylinder. It is called as cylinder. So you have cucumber, you have bottle gourd, many vegetables. You have ridge gourd. You have bit. So these are cylinder shaped vegetables. So what is the shape of the cylinder? This is the shape of the cylinder. This is the shape of the cylinder. Now very easy shape. This is an apple. It's round in shape. It's round in shape, but it is called as a sphere. It is called as a sphere. Many vegetables are spherical. Now tell me, what else is spherical? You play with it. Yes, it's the ball. It's the ball. So these are the few shapes. Like you have seen what is a triangle, what is a rectangle, but these are three-dimensional figures. These are called as three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures. So first is cone, it's like this. Second is cylinder. Cylindrical shape. This is like this. Very good. And the third one is sphere. This is sphere. These are the basic three-dimensional figures. These are called as three-dimensional figures. There is a poem on the first page. Now let's read that poem. A picnic on Sunday in the farm fresh air, all shaped veggies we could find there. So this family, they went for a picnic, and what they thought, that we will find out these vegetables and we will cook. So when he dug the soil, Motya found cone like carrots under the ground. So this carrot is found under the ground. So he found a cone like carrot under the ground. Yash, this boy Yash, he brought tomatoes red and round. He brought tomatoes red and round, and some long brinjals also he found. Rama got the cucumbers. Rama got the cucumbers. Green, fresh, some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. So it was bent at the waist like this. Okay. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic. Some tamarind and some garlic was all that Gampu and Pussy could pick. Now Gampu and Pussy, what they brought? They brought tamarind. And what did Pussy brought? She brought garlic. Okay. Mama roasted rotis. What did Mama do? She made rotis. Roasted means she cooked the rotis on the tawa. Papa cooked veggies. Papa, he cooked all the veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? Now, these children have enjoyed this picnic and they want to get back to the picnic again. Now, let's read the poem once again. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. When he dug the soil, Motya found cone-like carrots under the ground. Yash brought tomatoes, red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. Rama got the cucumbers, green and fresh, some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gampu and Pussy could pick. Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? Do you like to go for a picnic? Yes, everybody. So now let's do some exercise. Now we can do match the following. Okay. Cone, cylinder and sphere. Now we'll match. So you have to match. This is cone, this is cylinder and this is sphere. Now we will do some basic things dependent on the text. So if I say, what is the shape of an ice cream cone. Your answer is cone shape. Okay. What is the shape of a bottle guard? Your answer is cylinder. Okay. What is the shape of onion? Your answer is sphere. Okay. Another thing you can, on this lesson, what we can do is write two objects of each shape around you. This you will have to do it on your own. You have to find it and you can get it checked from your elders. Cone shape, you can write two objects. Cylinder shape, you can write two objects. And sphere, you can write two objects. Okay, this way it will help you to clear the concept of shapes. Thank you children. Meet you next in the next video.